Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to check the shop on the Matchmasters application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. For example, the profile, the home, the play button, the settings, and your goals and the others. But if you want to check the shop, just go to the lower bar and click the shop icon at the lower left corner of the home screen. And oh, actually I have a gift box. I can claim that. Oh, collect. Okay, cool. So that's the shop, and you can find different items, and if you want to buy it, you can buy it with real money or money in the game. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.